This is Gears of War 2. This is my husband. And this is our daughter, who is helping him play.
You might get hate mail if you put it on a public account.
She doesn't know what she's looking at yet.
She knows she wants a controller. She knows it's very bright. Hey! I lost the chainsaw.
Give me the controller, Daddy. You're doing it wrong.
She's not even grabbing my thumb anymore. Earlier she was grabbing my thumb.
Now she's going straight for the buttons, though. She's trying to shove you off the controller. Oh, she got your thumb. Look at her. She's staring intently. It's like, I can do it.
Heavy infantry, Delia. Grenade, grenade. Come on, girl. I know you can do it.